Just imagine what happened if God pressed the delete button on his computer and the simulation of the universe just got deleted. Every single thing in your universe just got deleted from existence. Is it really possible? Big Rip Big Freeze doesn't destroy space properly. This can destroy every living being in universe to atom space still exists after being freeze and Big Crunch. Every ending is a new beginning. This sentence goes well for Big Crunch. Many scientists believe that after Big Crunch, a new baby universe will be created, then Big Crunch, and then again Big Bang goes on like a cycle. None of these theories destroy space properly. And now, imagine if our universe comes with a self-destruct button to ultimate itself so cleanly and efficiently that every single physical thing would just stop existing to life would be impossible forever. The ultimate natural disaster is known as vacuum decay. To explain how our universe could destroy itself, we need to understand two principles. First one is energy levels. A core idea in physics is that everything has an energy level. The higher the level, the more energy is in the system. Second one is stability. Everything in our universe tries to move towards its ground state, in which is completely stable and has as little energy as possible. For example, a ball on a hill is unstable and has a lot of potential energy. When disturbed, it will roll down into the valley and lose its potential energy. In the process, the ball is now in its ground state and stable. It will remain like that. Everything in our universe follows these two principles. If someone has a lot of energy, it's unstable and wants to get rid of it to become stable and reach its ground state. This is true for every system, even in the weird world of quantum mechanics. According to quantum field theory, a false vacuum is a hypothetical vacuum that is stable, but not in the most stable state possible. It may last for a very long time in the state, but could eventually decay to the more stable state, and even known as false vacuum decay. Everything in our universe wants to be in the lowest energy level possible, which is called a vacuum state. Every quantum field is stable, but it is possible that the Higgs field is not stable, but metastable, which is a fancy way of saying that it pretends to be stable but really is not. It would be a false vacuum. The Higgs field is responsible for giving particles their mass. What would happen if the Higgs field is a false vacuum? Think of a ball in the valley. The ball is the Higgs field. The valley might not be the lowest energy state for the Higgs field. There might be an even deeper valley that it wants to get into. This would mean that the Higgs field has a lot of potential energy waiting to be released. This could happen at any time and without warning. If at any point in space the so-called vacuum decay occurs, there is no turning back. As the Higgs field crashes into the lower energy state, it releases a massive amount of potential energy. This energy pushes the space around it over the barrier, which releases more potential energy. A sphere of the new stable Higgs field, or true vacuum, grows at the speed of light in all directions. Imagine it like setting a sea of gasoline the size of the universe on fire. The sphere is surrounded by a shell of energy that devours everything it comes into contact with. Whatever it touches, it eliminates for existence. The bubble will continue to grow forever, deleting the universe on its way. Our destruction would be instant. In a fraction of a second, Earth would be gone. But it actually gets worse. If the energy level of the Higgs field changes, it changes all of physics. In the true vacuum of the sphere, the standard model will be overthrown, superseded by different physics that we don't know. How fundamental particles behave, how atoms hold together, how chemicals react. Vacuum decay won't just destroy life, it will destroy chemistry itself, making life as we know it impossible. We simply have no idea what it would be like inside. Again, saying that is just a prediction made by scientists. It could be true or fake. False vacuum decay might start happening in deep space far away from us, but maybe it will never reach planet Earth because our universe is expanding. In the scale of universe, light speed is really slow.